Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to create Telegram account with email. So, is it really possible? So, let's dive in. First, let's open the Telegram app on our mobile device. Then, after you open it, you will get to see Start Messaging option available there. Simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you can see Telegram primarily relies on phone numbers for account registrations and authentications. When you first open the Telegram app, you are typically prompted to enter your phone number to create an account. So if someone claims that they can make Telegram account with an email, then that's a scam or fake. When you sign up for a Telegram account, you will need to provide a valid phone number to receive a verification code via SMS or phone call, whereas you can provide a email for recovery. While some other messaging platforms may offer email-based registration option, Telegram has chosen to prioritize phone number verification as part of its security measures. If you are unable to use a phone number for any reason, you may not be able to create a Telegram account. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.